it's me, Lenby, and for today's videos, I'll be sharing with you my philosophies in mathematics. But first, I'll tell you my stories. Ever since, I don't have interest studying mathematics. Why? Because I really don't get it. Why do we have to find the value of x? Pass is pass naman na, and dapat hindi na natin sila hinahanap. I've been struggling so much. Naalala ko yung exam ko nung grade 9 ako. 20 plus lang yung nakukuha ko over 50. Sobrang nakakawala ng gana pag ganun yung nakikita mo. Pero I did my best naman. Sadyang di ko lang talaga makuha ng tama. Until nagkaroon ako ng phone and na-meet ko si YT year 2020. Doon ko unti-unting na-appreciate si math. Because of YT, nakapasa ako sa CCC. Special thanks to Coach Laika and to other content creator out there.
44 by 2, we're going to get half of 14 is 7, half of 44 is 22. So we get 722. And then if we...
My first year and second year college wasn't easy. There are sleepless nights, skipping meals, and doubting myself if I'm in the right path. But worth it naman kasi naipasa ko sila. Now that I'm currently third year college, yes, I'm still struggling, especially in Calculus 3, Modern Geom, and Number Theory. Hindi naman ako bobo, pero there are times na kina-question ko yung kakayahan ko. Until I saw this line, the quitter never win and the winner never quit. And ayan yung naging philosophy ko in studying mathematics. Tama nga naman, hindi natin matututunan ng isang bagay kung susuko na lang agad tayo kapag hindi na natin nakukuha ng tama. Kaya hanggat kaya natin, let's fight! Math lang yan, yakang-yaka natin yan. As a mathematics teacher someday, I will encourage my future student to appreciate math because math is everywhere. Akala lang natin hindi importante yung math, pero it's really important. I hope my stories inspires you to keep on believing that impossible things can be possible if gugustuhin mo. Once again, it's your Lenby and thank you for watching my video.